Hello, I am Vaishali Madam. We are going to learn about interrogative sentences.
Good afternoon children, welcome to your English grammar class. So today we are on lesson number 5, interrogative sentences. See, first we have learned what is a sentence, how to make a sentence. Then we have learned about negative sentences in the last lesson. Yes, and now today we are talking about interrogative. What is interrogative? Yes, sentences that ask questions. They are interrogative sentences. And they end with the question mark. So we are going to look into that. So now the first is compare the following. The first example is I am right. This is the sentence, I am right. When we change the position of am is the verb, goes at first position. So am will become capital M. I write and a question mark. This becomes a question. In this sentence, it is indicating that I am right. I am telling you that I am right. And the next sentence, it is a question sentence, interrogative sentence, which says that am I right? It is asking. Okay.
So now let us look into the second sentence. We are late. Now again, if we change the position of are and we interchange the position. So are comes at first position and we comes at the second position, and it becomes are we late? So it becomes a question and we end it with a question mark. Similarly, third one, she is old. So if we interchange their positions, is she old? And it becomes a question. The sound was clear. Was the sound clear? When we change the position of the verb, was is taken at the first position. Was the sound clear? And a question mark. His clothes were dirty. Were his clothes dirty? Question mark. So the first example is the sentence. It is a statement which states something, and the second one, when we change the position of the verb, then it becomes the question. Coming to the next one. Number 6. You have a pen. Have you a pen? Question mark. She had got a watch. Had she got a watch? Number 8. They have seen the Taj. Have they seen the Taj? Number 9. He will leave early. Will he leave early? And number 10. She can help me. Can she help me? Now the sentences on the left side make statements. The sentences on the right hand side ask questions. So that is the difference. Now coming to the blue box. Formation of interrogative sentences. How to make interrogative sentence. Sentence of the type like I am, he is, you were, etc. That is am, are, were, etc. are used before the subject. They are placed before the subject. Like we have seen I am, we are, she is. Here they change the position and come before the subject. Then the second is sentences of type he has, you have, I had, etc. has, have, had before the subject. Again, if the sentence is with they have, she had, you have, 6, 7, 8. So again it comes at the first position and make the sentence. They are used before the subject. The verb is made up of 2 words. The first word before the subject. When the verbs are made up of more than 1 word, that is 2 words, we use it before the first word is used before the subject. Now coming to the exercise on page number 11. Make the following sentences interrogative. We have to make the sentences interrogative, that is change into question form. Supriya was respectful to her teacher. What is the verb? Was. So we'll put it at the first position. Was. Supriya, S is going to be capital. Supriya respectful to her teacher. Respectful to her teacher and a question mark. It is always advisable to be respectful to our elders, and specifically our parents, our teachers. We should show respect. And how are you going to show respect? By obeying what they say, by following what they say. Okay, you have to follow what your teacher says, right? So when you are in school, you do that. But when you are at home, when we are on this medium of WhatsApp and classroom, you're going to follow what madam gives you instructions, right? And that is going to define you, how you're going to be as a human being when you follow your elders. Okay, coming to the next. The meeting is at 6 p.m. So is the verb, so we are going to put it first. Is the meeting at 6 p.m. and then a question mark. Okay. The road to the station is narrow and bumpy. So we will take is the verb at the first position, and then we will write the sentence. Is the road to the station narrow and bumpy? And a question mark. So this you can copy it on your own. Very good. So is going to be first, and then is the road to the station, is we already put first, narrow and bumpy, and a question mark. She has 2 sisters. So what is the verb? Has. Has she 2 sisters and a question mark? Right? Are you understanding? Very good. Then coming to the next one. The girls are reading books. What is the verb? Are. So take it at the first position. Are the girls reading books? And a question mark. He should believe you. So the verb is should. So what should be the question now? Should he believe you? And a question mark. She will be rewarded for her honesty. So honesty is rewarded. That is a good thing. Will. Will she be rewarded for her honesty? Question mark. Being honest is a good thing. It is a positive quality. Okay. And she is also going to get a reward. So you are going to do it on your own. You will start it with will, then she be rewarded for her honesty, and a question mark. Number 8. The cow is a gentle animal. Is. So is going to be at the first position. Is the cow a gentle animal? And a question mark. He has got a passport. Has. Has is the verb which will come at first position. Has he got a passport? Question mark. When do you need a passport, children? Do you have any idea? Yes. When we need to travel out of our country. But nowadays it's not possible. We are not going anywhere for touring, right? The telephone bell is ringing. Where is the verb? Is. Is the telephone bell ringing? So we'll start with is, and then the sentence will follow like this, and then a question mark. The workers were faithful to the company. So what is the verb? Were. Were the workers faithful to the company? Were the workers faithful to the company? Question mark. Again, faithful, being faithful is also positive quality. Somebody is knocking at the door. So is this going to be at the first position? Is this the verb? Is somebody knocking at the door? Question mark, because nowadays nobody comes at our place, right? We don't have guests nowadays, right? So that is going to be the question. Is somebody knocking at the door? And a question mark. So I hope now we are clear with how to make interrogative sentences. Thank you, children.